who I am, and I was like, I say like, I'm a bad boy.
That was great. Party, but it's just me in the pool right now, about to get out. But I'm gonna swim from here to there and back to here, and then possibly to there and possibly back, all on one breath. Be a little Sunday Funday vlog where we are just waking up in bed right now and have some coffee going, and Pearl's laying with us right here. There's Mike. And then later today we do kickball. Then we go to brunch. Then from brunch, we're having a little get together with some people, have a little pool party, and yeah. All right, so I just had a protein waffle, which was amazing, and Mike is making some type of ham, tomato, onion omelet. It looks pretty good. Also going to show you guys how fast I can meal prep 1 week's worth of meals and how simple it is, especially if you're looking to lose some weight. If you don't have a rice cooker, get a pan or a pot. Step 2, get the rice out. Add chicken broth. That's pretty good. A little salty. You put some salt on there.
A bit salty, I'm out of it.
Next, 2 cups. Is come here, put it on cook, put the lid on top. Perfect. Meal prep containers out. Go to the fridge. Grab your already cooked and made grilled chicken breast. Right. Easy peasy.
People really want to see that.
Of course they do.
Are you recording now?
Then come over, give Pearl a little pet on the head, say, I love you. Look at Mike as he eats. Grab his dirty bowl. Take it to the dishwasher. Now we're gonna work on the broccoli. Add this. Put your broccoli in here. After you do the broccoli, come over and check on Mike, see what he's watching on his phone, and look who it is.
Montreal, spur of the moment, little getaway. What? We're gonna go find Justin Trudeau and yes, Daddy.
John and Brian. Remember, the whole goal of this easy meal prep is the word easy. Ta-da! And dishes are done. Easy. Perfectly lined up. And we are on our way to kickball. Pitch slappers unite. Hopefully we crush it out there today. Mike's driving, and we had a great little breakfast. You guys saw the meal prep, and now get ready to see Fernando and Jay and Phil and Matt and John and Matt and Don and
Introducing.
and what? All right, so we are out here, guys, and I'm gonna flip it around so you can see the field that we're playing on, which is like a big football field from a ways away, how many people we got. It's pretty awesome. be doing a dance-off between Fernando and Javi. This is Javi. Currently single. He is a romantic, not looking for a relationship at the moment, right?
We'll call it that.
Yep. This is his roommate over here. His name is Peter. Not kidding. And there's Fernando. Yes.
Hey.
Oh my God. I was doing the video and I completely forgot his name.
The purpose?
No, what was your name again? Alejandro. I was either going between Enrique.
Alejandro.
So where did Peter come from?
Oh my goodness, it's the same. I don't know.
Same song.
Lady Gaga. Alejandro. Fernando.
Is that song?
It is, yeah. It is that song.
They're both in the
That's
song.
Alejandro, that's the name of the song.
That's crazy.
Wow.
Oh, hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this.
I got it.
There we go. Perfect.
So next time we'll have to have.
We'll have to do a group Sunday dinner.
We used to do that. We had a crack pot in Chicago. Now we have the rice.
Yeah, those are good.
So it was a great day, good weekend, fun at Kickball. Had people over to the house afterwards. I couldn't film us going to brunch, but overall, pretty fun day. So I hope you guys enjoy this little weekend vlog. Got to see a little bit more into my life. Mike's wearing his pants from Cambodia right now. And looking handsome as ever. And what else? We have great friends.
We have good friends, absolutely.
Yeah, we're meeting a lot of people through this league. We love it. We love you guys. Thank you so much. We're almost at 12,000 subscribers, and
We need get us to 12,000 quick.
love you.
See ya.